Best cordless drills are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of, and put up 5 lists of the best cordless drills from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. We have included links in the description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. Milwaukee 2904-20 Hammer Drill. Experience the perfect balance of power, versatility, and portability with the Milwaukee 1/2 inch hammer drill. Designed to deliver impressive performance in a compact package, this drill provides a maximum torque of 1,400 inch-pounds and reaches speeds up to 2,100 revolutions per minute, making it more than capable of handling a wide range of tasks, from drilling into wood and metal to tackling concrete with ease. While it may not be the absolute fastest or most powerful drill on the market, its performance on 1/2 inch drill bits, 1 inch spade bits, and 1/4 inch concrete holes proved consistently reliable, demonstrating its efficiency and dependability. What sets this drill apart is its thoughtfully compact design. Measuring just 7 inches from tip to tail and weighing only 3.3 pounds, it fits comfortably into tight spaces and reduces user fatigue during extended use. The drill also features 3 adjustable speed settings, allowing precise control for driving screws or delicate tasks, giving you versatility that most drills with only 2 speeds can't match. Safety and durability are built in with the auto-stop feature, which automatically shuts off the motor if the bit binds, protecting both the tool and the user. Milwaukee's attention to detail ensures this drill remains a top choice for DIYers, professionals, and hobbyists alike. Compact, lightweight, and packed with power, the Milwaukee 1/2 inch hammer drill delivers reliable performance, precision, and safety, making it the ideal all-around cordless drill for any project. Max speed, 2,100 revolutions per minute. Torque, 1,400 inch-pounds. Weight, 3.3 pounds, tool only. Head length, 7 inches. Pros: excellent power-to-weight ratio, fits tight spaces, auto-stop feature. Cons: not the fastest or most powerful drill. Number 2. Skil PWRCORE Drill Driver Kit. The Skil PWRCORE 20V drill is a compact, lightweight tool that delivers impressive performance without breaking the bank. Designed with convenience and ease of use in mind, it weighs just 2.23 pounds, tool only, and features a narrow profile, making it exceptionally easy to handle, even in tight spaces. Its ergonomic design and balanced weight distribution reduce user fatigue, whether you're drilling or driving screws. Despite its small size, the Skil PWRCORE drill delivers solid power. It reaches a maximum speed of 1,800 revolutions per minute and 400 inch-pounds of torque, easily drilling a 1/2 inch hole into a 2x4 in just 3 seconds. Its performance with larger bits, such as 1 inch spade bits, was mixed, as the bit occasionally became bound in wood during extended use. However, as a driver, it excels at driving 3 inch screws with ease, making it a versatile addition to any toolkit. This drill comes with 2 speed settings and an LED work light for increased visibility in dark or confined areas. While it may not have all the advanced features found in high-end drills, its combination of lightweight design, solid power, and affordability makes it a standout choice for DIY enthusiasts and occasional users. At just $80, the Skil PWRCORE 20V drill provides remarkable value compared to premium cordless drills that often cost over $300, proving that you don't need to spend a fortune to get reliable performance. Max speed, 1,800 revolutions per minute. Torque, 400 inch-pounds. Weight, 2.23 pounds, tool only. Pros: lightweight and compact, easy to use as a driver. Cons: struggled with some larger drill bits. Number 3. DeWalt 20V Max XR Hammer Drill. The DeWalt XR cordless drill is the flagship model in DeWalt's lineup, delivering unmatched drilling power and professional-grade performance. Designed for serious DIYers and tradespeople, this drill combines raw strength with precision control. During testing, it drilled a 1/2 inch hole in a 2x4 in just half a second, and a 1-inch hole with a paddle bit in 3 seconds, faster than any other drill we tested. Its 3 adjustable speed settings allow you to precisely control torque and speed, making it easy to drive screws without stripping heads, while still handling heavy-duty drilling tasks. Safety and convenience are built into the XR. The drill features an anti-rotation safety mechanism that shuts off the motor if it senses excessive rotation, protecting your wrist from injury. A built-in adjustable work light adds visibility in dark or confined spaces, enhancing usability in every environment. While the XR weighs 4.1 pounds, tool only, its compact head length of 7.6 inches allows it to fit into tighter spaces than many other cordless drills, balancing power and maneuverability. Its premium construction ensures long-term reliability, making it an excellent investment for anyone tackling complex or professional-level projects. Though it comes at a higher price point than other drills, the DeWalt XR justifies the cost with top-tier performance, versatility, and safety features. For those looking for a powerful, reliable, and feature-packed cordless drill, the DeWalt XR is a standout choice. Max speed, 2,000 revolutions per minute. Weight, 4.1 pounds, tool only. Head length, 7.6 inches. Pros: unmatched drilling power, 3 speed options, anti-rotation safety feature. Cons: heavy overall weight. Number 4. Flex 24V Brushless Cordless Hammer Drill. The Flex 24V cordless drill is a powerhouse designed for professionals and serious DIYers who demand speed, torque, and reliability. With an impressive 1,400 inch-pounds of torque and a maximum speed of 2,500 revolutions per minute, this drill effortlessly handles demanding tasks. In testing, it drilled 5 half-an-inch twist bit holes and 5 1-inch spade bit holes in under 3 seconds each, delivering smooth, consistent performance. Even more impressively, it easily drilled through a block of cement with a 3/8 inch bit, a task that would challenge most other cordless drills. Built for power and safety, the Flex drill features a turbo button that temporarily boosts torque to its maximum output, giving you the extra punch when needed. Its anti-rotation safety feature automatically stops the drill if it over-rotates, protecting your wrist and arm from injury. These features make it as safe as it is powerful, ideal for extended use on tough projects. Despite its power, the drill is relatively compact, with a head length of 7.1 inches. However, its larger body profile means it doesn't fit into tight spaces as easily as smaller drills. Weighing 3.9 pounds without the battery and nearly 6 pounds with the 5Ah battery included, it's on the heavier side but balances durability and performance. If you're searching for a professional-grade cordless drill that delivers unmatched speed, torque, and reliability, the Flex 24V cordless drill is a standout choice. Its combination of power, safety features, and pro-level performance makes it a worthy investment for any serious toolbox. Max speed, 2,500 revolutions per minute. Torque, 1,400 inch-pounds. Weight, 3.9 pounds, tool only. Head length, 7.1 inches. Pros: incredible speed and power, turbo button, anti-rotation safety feature. Cons: doesn't easily fit into tighter spaces. Number 5. Ryobi 18V1 Plus Compact Cordless Hammer Drill. The Ryobi Compact Cordless Hammer Drill is designed to deliver reliable performance for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts at a fraction of the price of premium drills. With a maximum torque of 750 inch-pounds and top speeds of 2,100 revolutions per minute, it provides enough power to handle most household tasks and even some larger projects, all while staying lightweight and easy to handle. During testing, the Ryobi drill proved capable and versatile. It drilled 5 1-inch holes with a spade bit in just 5 seconds each and effortlessly drove a 3-inch wood screw into 2 stacked 2x4s. Switching to hammer drill mode allowed it to drill a half-inch twist bit into wood efficiently. It also managed to bore into concrete with a 3/8 inch bit, though anything larger tested the limits of its torque. While it doesn't match the raw power of premium cordless hammer drills, it excels at day-to-day tasks around the house. One of the standout features of this Ryobi drill is its compact design. Weighing just 2.3 pounds without the battery and featuring a short 6.75 inch head, it fits comfortably into tight spaces and reduces user fatigue, making it easier to maneuver than heavier, bulkier models. Its excellent power-to-weight ratio ensures that you can work for longer periods without strain. For DIYers looking for an affordable, reliable, and easy-to-use hammer drill, the Ryobi compact cordless model delivers consistent performance, convenience, and value for everyday projects around the home. Max speed, 2,100 revolutions per minute. Torque, 750 inch-pounds. Weight, 2.3 pounds, tool only. Head length, 6.75 inches. Pros: compact head, great power-to-weight ratio. Cons: lacks the raw power of premium cordless hammer drills.